Hey man, they really try to sneak this one past us. They try to hide it, but I gotta let you guys know, put you guys on, and it is a lot of controversy surrounding this upcoming release. We gotta talk about it. Sit back, relax, and we'll get right into it, man. YouTube, man, what is going on, everybody? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. I need everybody to be super engageful with today's video. Let me know what you think about the topic. Let me know what you think is going on and what you think Nike should do to fix some of these issues surrounding hype sneaker releases, man. So if you guys are new here to the channel, you have not subscribed yet, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please let me know down in the comment section. Let me know if you're notification gang, and let me know if you're new here so I can go ahead and hit you up in the comment section, say what's up, and welcome you to the Vintage Squad, man. And also, bro, I always ask you guys, if you don't do nothing else in this video, if you don't comment, if you don't subscribe, do nothing else, I actually do one thing for your boy, and that's to hit that like button, man. So everybody watching today's video, leave a huge like on the video, and thank you guys so much. We just hit 87K, man. The content going crazy, the support has been going crazy, and yo, I just want to say thank you guys. All right, so I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen what is going on. I know y'all see what's popping. Y'all see what's going on with some of these hype sneaker releases. And one of the points I want to talk about is the Travis Scott. The Travis Scott's on his website, when they drop them, it's like impossible to get. So that leads to people thinking either it's backdoored or they're just acting like they're selling things, making people sign up for raffles, and literally nobody hits. Like, you know, on Twitter, people share their W's, people share on different Discord and stuff like that, but it was slim pickings for these last couple Travis Scott drops on his website, especially the University Red pair. They was damn near, you couldn't find them nowhere. No dubs, no screenshots, no nothing. Only people that had like 14, 16 pairs and stuff like that, which probably was capped. They probably just, you know, photoshopped and stuff like that. But other than that, bruh, I didn't see any W's in the chat. I didn't see any W's in the Discourse that I'm in. It was just one of them ones. So that leads to people thinking, like I said, man, all the pairs are backdoored, or they just acting like you have an opportunity to get the shoe to make it a little bit more hype than what it actually is, man. So that leads us to this shoe we are talking about today, and that is the Air Jordan 3 Rio J Balvin, the Sunset. I think it's called the Sunsets, the all black pair. Of course, you got the crazy J Balvin effect going around the entire sneaker. I did have the J Balvin ones back in the day. Ended up selling them when I did downsize the collection. I wish I would have kept them, but they're going for the lows here right now, so maybe I can't reach back to get them. Before these Jordan 3 J Balvins, they're doing something very, very weird on his website. Super weird. I never even heard this before. One of my first times ever hearing somebody say, you gotta do this in order to get something, and that is on the J Balvin website. It's saying you need to spend $100. I think the date was May the 21st. Let me check. Yeah, May the 19th. May the 19th, they're telling you to spend at least $100 on their website in order to get exclusive access. That's the only way they can break you down as far as putting you into the criteria of getting exclusive access. That's if you spend $100 from now up until May the 19th. Now, have y'all ever heard any of that before? I know something similar to that has been happening, of course, for like Foot Locker, JD, Finish Line, and stuff like that, but you're building points. You're not trying to, you know what I'm saying, buy something up to $100 just to make sure you do get the opportunity to possibly get exclusive access. So it just seems like one of those Ponzi schemes or the quick little get rich quick schemes to let people spend all these hundreds of dollars that they'll be giving people just so they can think they will be getting exclusive access. Like I said, man, people going crazy on Twitter, people going crazy in the Discord that I'm in. They're like, yo, why are they asking people to spend up to $100 before a certain date? It's only to boost sales. It's only to kind of persuade people to buy things from the site in order to get something lucky like an exclusive access for the J Balvin Air Jordan 3s. And the things right there, pairing is super limited. It's going to be hard to get them things. But me personally, I would just wait to try to hit on, you know what I'm saying, the actual drop for J Balvin on his website. And I would also try to hit on the sneakers app. And then you kind of see where it is as far as you paying resale for the shoe. Because resale, or the retail is already like $250 for the shoe. So you got to spend $100 just to possibly get exclusive access. It's not even guaranteed you spend $100, you get exclusive access. But to potentially get it, you're already spending, what, $350 for the shoe. That's not even including taxes. So you got the $100 you got to spend, the $250 for the sneakers. And that's not even including, like I said, the shipping, taxes, and all that crazy stuff. So I'm gonna wait, you feel me? So I'm not gonna spend the extra $100. I'm gonna try my luck on the drop date for J Balvin, and I'm waiting on the Nike sneakers app and see how they're gonna do things, because me trying to spend $100 just to potentially get exclusive access, I ain't going for it, bro. I definitely ain't going for it. And like I said, man, a lot of people are salty. A lot of people are mad. Like, yo, why is J Balvin doing this? Like, are they actually releasing these pairs on the site? Are they getting backdoored? Are they even, is it a fair chance to get them? I know the Trophy Room is another one of those controversial sneakers when they do drop on Trophy Room site and stuff like that. It's just like, yo, are people really getting a fair chance at getting some of these pairs? And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I do not think so. And I know from experience, and I know from some of the past drops that has been happening, these things are definitely 100% getting backdoored in most cases. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section what you think about the J Balvins. Let me know what you think about the spending $100 to potentially get exclusive access. But that's still an opportunity. If you want to do it, by all means, go ahead and do it. I'm gonna leave a link down below, but you can spend up to $100 with your account over on J Balvin's website, and you can be in a chance to potentially get exclusive access. I just wanted to put that out there to you guys, because I know some people might try to take advantage of that, and I know some people probably a little bit salty, like, yo, why do I gotta do this? Like, why am I having to spend? You're essentially paying $100 if you even do get that exclusive access to get the shoe, so you're paying over $350. It's crazy. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. But I know you guys in the comment section, man. Help me out. Let me know what you think. Drop all your thoughts and opinions. I did want to check the resale real quick. I want to check the resale, see what these things is going for. Last I checked, man, they was trying to sell these things for like $700, $800. I said, yo, I'm not spending $700, $800 on these, even though I do want them. I still want the white pair, but if I get the black pair, I'm not even gonna be thinking about the white pair no more, because who likes to pay resale? I know I don't. So let's go ahead and check on StockX, see these J Balvin sunset joints, and yeah, here they go. And the resale has dropped tremendously. The resale has dropped like crazy, actually. So there's no point of you even getting that or spending that $100 for exclusive access, because they already going for only $400. Only $400. I'm put a screenshot of the prices here so you guys can check it out. But go ahead and check StockX. Go ahead and check GOAT. They were initially going for like $600-700. Now they're all the way down in the 400s, and I can definitely see these going for the high $300 mark. So hey, if you want to spend $100 to get exclusive access, that's on you. Let me know in the comment section, but I would definitely just wait, because these resale prices is dropping like crazy, which is a good thing for us sneakerheads, us sneaker consumers, us who actually want to buy the shoe to rock. Ain't too much worry about the resale. So I appreciate y'all's support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Make sure you send this with a friend, help them out. Me, honestly, I'm not gonna be doing a whole $100 thing. I'm gonna try my luck on sneakers and on J Balvin website. Hopefully your boy get a dub. But other than that, man, your boy DeVintage is, I ain't spending 100. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. Let's keep running up. Let's keep going crazy. I appreciate you guys. And all that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.